In this lesson, I will explain to you how to calculate the probability of mutually exclusive events. First, I will define what is the meaning of mutually exclusive. So, mutually exclusive events can never occur at the same time. Either one event will come or the other will come. Suppose if you have A and B are mutually exclusive events, then the probability of A or B equal to probability of A plus probability of B. If suppose you have two mutually exclusive events, first you have to find out the probability of the first event, then you have to calculate the probability of the second, and at the end you have to add it, right? So mutually exclusive events can never occur at the same time. Now I will give you few examples to understand the concept of mutually exclusive. Suppose you pick a number from the following data set. Suppose we have these four numbers 2, 3, 4 and 5, and you have to pick 4 or greater than 4. What is the probability? What is the probability that you will pick 4 out of these numbers or greater than 4? So these events 4 and greater than 4 are mutually exclusive, right? It is impossible for one of these numbers to be both at the same time. So first you have to find the probability of 4. There is only one chance that you will pick 4 because there is only one 4, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the probability of 4 is 1 by 4. 4 divided by 4 means because we have 4 numbers. And then you have to find out the probability greater than 4. So the only number greater than 4 is 5. So again there is one number greater than 4, that is 5. Out of 4, 1 divided by 4. So the probability of 4 or greater than 4 equal to probability of 4 plus probability of greater than 4, which is 1 by 4, and 1 by 4 equal to 2 by 4 and then half, or you can say 50%. Another example, what is the probability tails or heads? And here if I say write your answer as a percentage. So probability of heads or tail you have to find out, and again these events are mutually exclusive, right? When we flip a coin, either the head will come or the tail will come. It is impossible for a coin flip to be both at the same time. So probability of tail equal to half, and in flipping the coin there is only two possibilities, head and tail. That is why we are dividing by 2. There are only two possibilities. So probability of tail is 1 by 2, probability of heads is 1 by 2. When we add this 1 by 2, 1 by 2 equal to 2 by 2 or 1 and 100%. Right? So in this video you have learned how to calculate the probability of the mutually exclusive events. If you have any question, you can write down in the comments section and I will try my best to answer it. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel on YouTube, Sai My Academy, and thanks for watching it.